I'm Graham Scobey, and in this quick tip video, I'm going to show you how to sync multiple cameras within Lightroom. So we've all been there, right? You get back from a wedding or some other event that needs to be synchronized. You've shot on multiple cameras, maybe you have multiple photographers. You get back into Lightroom and you realize that you forgot to sync your cameras. That can be a huge headache, but there is a very easy way that we can sync our cameras within Lightroom without taking a ton of time, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's get started. All right, so we've got this wedding that Ashley shot here, and the first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure we're in the library module. So that's this module here. And we want to bring up our library filter pane. And so that by default, that is hidden. But if you hit the backslash key, that's the key above the return key, it'll drop down this library filter pane. And by default, you're going to see probably some different filters here. I've customized these, but you can change any of these at any time. So this second one, I always have set to camera or camera serial number. Now the reason that I have it set to camera serial number right now is that sometimes our second shooters use the same type of camera as we do, or we use two of the same camera. And so if you only filter by your camera, everything gets lumped together under that camera. But if you filter by camera serial number, it breaks out each individual camera so that you can filter by those images individually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Ashley's camera's serial number, which is this last one here. And I'm going to find a moment that I know both she and her second shooter took a photograph of. So for weddings, that's pretty easy. There's certain moments throughout the day that we and our second shooters are definitely going to get. And a great example of that is the first kiss. So let's scroll down through Ashley's photos here and let's find the ceremony. So here we go. We're getting towards the end of the ceremony. Let's see. And sure enough, there's the first kiss right there. So I'm going to find the moment, the first moment that their lips touch. That's a very unique moment in time that probably every camera is going to have captured on the day. So I'm looking at, let's see, let me go back and grab that photo. I'm going to look at this photo and I'm going to drop down this metadata pane on the right-hand side of the screen. By the way, if these panes are hidden, it's because you've maybe accidentally hit the tab button. If you hit the tab button, those go away. So hit the tab button and those will come right back. Drop down the metadata pane, and then we're going to look for the capture time. So the capture time here is 7:35:01. So if you need to, you can write that on a little sticky note or copy and paste it into a document, just so you remember. I'm just going to try and remember off the top of my head. So 7:35:01 is our target time. So now I'm going to go back to that grid view by hitting the G key, and I am going to select the other camera that I know caught that moment. So this is actually second shooter's camera. We're going to scroll all the way down to the ceremony and find that same moment. So let's see here, where was it? There it is. Okay, so now I'm going to select that photo. You can see that the time is a little bit off. We want that to be 7:35:01. So I'm going to first select the photo that I want to change, then hit Command A, and that's going to select all the photos that have that camera serial number. Then I'm going to go to the metadata menu. I'm going to scroll all the way down to Edit Capture Time, and I am going to set this to 7:35:01. I want to make sure that the adjust to a specified time is selected. So let's see, 7:35:01. And now I am going to hit Change All. So it's going to shift all of those photos by the amount of time that it needs to make this particular photo correct. So that's maybe 4 minutes into the future, right? So that'll shift all of those photos the right amount so that they all line up with my other camera. So now when I go and I select this photo, you can see that now it is 7:35:01. And if I hold down the command key and grab that other camera, you can see, boom, now everything is in sync. Perfect, it's good to go. There is another camera in here. It only has 31 photos. So I would do the same process with that. It looks like this camera was used to get the cake cutting. So I would go and find this moment where they made the first slice and get that time, copy it, and then paste it over into this camera and do the same adjustment like I did with the other camera. So that's it. It's as easy as that. Now, one thing that I do at weddings a lot of times is we will take a photo of a clock. So typically I'll pull up on my phone, I'll go to time.gov, which is kind of the international time, and I will take a photo of that clock with each of the cameras that I'm using. So I'll take a photo with my two cameras, my second shooter will take a photo with their two cameras, and then I can easily go in without having to find a moment and quickly sync those times up together to the correct date and time. That's it. That is how you sync photos within Lightroom. Super quick. I hope this has been helpful. If you've liked this video and you want to see more, make sure to like it, give us a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell that's next to the subscribe button. That'll let you know when we upload new content and you will be one of the first ones to see it. All right, that's it for this one. We will see you in the next video.